Oh, fuck. Hold on. Wait. Yo! What's good, guys? So, today we got my presentation, a presentation on bacon, and I make a sandwich that includes bacon, but I was originally going to bring that sandwich into my class because that's what this is for. If this sounds a little like essay-esque, then it's because I write a script for these, so this, I'm gonna be making a sandwich that I really don't eat that much anymore, but this shit got me through like 4th grade. This is either gonna be the most like genius thing you've ever seen, or it's gonna be the most disgusting thing you've ever seen. First thing you need is some bacon. Got this from Wegmans, or wait. That's not Wegmans, though. Bacon cooks through a process called thermal conduction, which is the transfer of heat from a hotter object to a cooler object through physical contact. The bacon is placed in a hot pan or on a hot griddle. The heat from the cooking surface is transferred to the bacon through direct contact, as is most food that you cook with heat. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to get your tin foil and you want to get your pan. Or, okay, baking sheet, is that what this is? I don't know who I'm asking. But a baking sheet. And then you need tin foil, because if you don't have tin foil, bacon grease will get on your pan, and bacon grease is really hard to clean off. And here's why. Science. Alright, voiceover time. I gotta make this quick. Alright. Bacon grease is difficult to clean off pans due to its chemical composition and physical properties. Bacon grease is primarily composed of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, which are long-chain organic molecules that are hydrophobic, meaning they repel water. When bacon is cooked, the fat is rendered and liquefied, and some of it may adhere to the surface of the pan. Because fats are hydrophobic, they do not dissolve in water, making them difficult to remove with soap and water alone. Additionally, bacon grease has a high boiling point, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or again for odd 190 degrees Celsius, which means that it can become baked onto the surface of the pan. Become baked is what I wrote. Okay. Making it cool and like kind of congeal. Which is the state in which it is hard to clean off. So, you want to get your tin foil, and you want to, oh wait, shit, hold on, it's not big enough, wait, hold on. Alright, I put one layer of tin foil on one side, and then another layer of tin foil on the other side, so it's fully covered. Bacon is primarily composed of fats and protein, of fat and protein. When heated, the fat in the bacon begins to melt and release liquid grease that never comes off the fucking pan. If you cook it in an oven like I did, you cover that shit in tin foil. You don't let that bacon grease touch your pan. And then you can put your, Now, we're going to put the bacon on the Shit! Alright, you need at least 5 or 6 strips of bacon for this. And you can put the rest in a freezer bag. Alright. So, I'm stupid and I didn't preheat the oven. So you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. Fun fact, while it's preheating, that I was going to make this video about that. But then I wanted a sandwich, so I didn't realize I looked like shit that entire time because I was using my back camera. But my oven's preheated now. Let it preheat for like 3 minutes. You don't season bacon, do you? Do you season bacon? Shit. Max! Okay, so we're gonna put our bacon in. Ooh, fuck. Whoa! Shit is hot! Alright. So you're gonna put that in for, wait, bro. 14 minutes. Protein in the bacon begins to denature or unfold, which causes the bacon to shrink and become firm and crispy. The fat serves as kind of like a medium for the heat to transfer, and it allows the bacon to cook evenly without it sticking to the pan. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes.
14 minutes.
Oh, hold on. I forgot to put like the actual sciencey shit in my script, so now I have to go into the actual notes I took. Where'd it go? I'm about to chat GPT this bitch. Oh no, I found it. Don't worry. As the bacon heats up, the proteins and fats within it start to break down and undergo various chemical reactions. At 300 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, or for ADVA, 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. The fat in the bacon begins to melt and render, which means that it liquefies and separates from the solid protein. Alright, so it smells like bacon. So Yo! That's good. This process causes the bacon to shrink and curl up. And that is the fat like melting away from the meat, as we have previously learned from me telling you. Thumbnail. As the bacon continues to cook, the proteins within it undergo a series of chemical reactions. One of these reactions is the Okay, so next we're gonna get our bread. Uh-oh. Wait. No. You're joking. I'm gonna kill someone. So usually you would use brioche bread. Like not brioche like a bun. Like bread, like sliced bread. But like brioche. Nowhere to be found. Sweet Hawaiian. This is what I'm using. Usually you would use brioche bread. This shit.
My yard.
What the fuck? Shit, I'm gonna say mallard. Cause what? Government can't tell me what to do, bro. One of these reactions is the Maillard reaction, which occurs when amino acids react with reducing sugars at high temperatures. Amino acids are... This reaction produces a complex series of compounds that give bacon its distinct flavor, aroma, and the dark brown color. Another important reaction that occurs during bacon cooking is lipid oxidation. Lipid. Ooh, be careful when you take the bacon out. This shit can burn you. Ooh, damn, that shit is perfect! Look. Bacon is a popular breakfast food that's often cooked by frying it in a pan. In this case, I did not do that, but when I bring it into my class, it will have to be fried in a pan. Okay. So, anyway, as I was saying, Good. Actually, I don't like bacon crispy. I like it kind of leathery. The next thing is pickles. You can use any pickle, but this is the only one that Wegmans had. Is these bread and butter pickles. I personally do not like Wegmans. And then mayo. I don't like eggs. But when I did like eggs more, I liked mayo. But mayo's more of an ingredient condiment. But there is no other condiment that goes with this sandwich. Okay, so, hold on, hold on.
Lipid.
Okay, cool. Lipid oxidation, which is the breakdown of fats into smaller molecules due to exposure of heat and oxygen. This reaction produces various flavor compounds, including Maybe I should have learned how to pronounce these words before speaking them. And those contribute to like the smoky, savory taste. The cooking time and temperature vary depending on obviously personal preference and the thickness of the bacon. No one wants like floppy. What can I compare it to? Like breast implant bacon. Like, no one wants that. But bacon is usually cooked over a medium-high heat for, I wrote several minutes. I don't know why I did that. So you've got your bread, and you've got your mayo, and you have your pickles. You want to get a spoon? Oh, fuck, dude. Hold on. Oh, gross, dude. This shit is gross. So then you want to just take your spoon and you want to, like, go in a circular motion. Oh, shit, is my oven still on, mother... God. You want to take your pickles. Oh, damn. These haven't been opened. Shit, dude, I'm proud of myself. Spread them out. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now... you want to put another paper towel on top. You fold it like this into like a V shape. You put one like this, right? Other way, like that. You take another one and you put it like that. And then, how many is that? 4? Take another one and then maybe do the same thing again. Fill in some spots and I'll put one more. Okay, so now, you know what, I'll rip it in 2, I'll do it like that. Alright, this is always a challenge. Wait. Boom! Yeah, did it. I have fucked some sandwiches up like that. Look at that shit. Look at that, isn't that lit? Isn't that lit? Alright, if you make this shit, don't cut it in half, because this shit just fell apart, and I had to put it back together, but just for the video. That's what it looks like inside. But yeah. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. You know I know this guy.